Hello friends, how is everybody today? The other day I told you when we were having a little chit chat that I found a really neat hand treatment recipe for, dry hands. A nice hand treatment. So we're going to do it. I wrote it down so that we can put this together. Okay? So the first thing we're going to need is a half a cup of brown sugar. This is probably could be considered a nice little sugar scrub too. Nice little sugar scrub too. Let's see, I can do a little more in there. There's one. Okay, there's a half a cup of brown sugar. And we're going to need 1.5 tablespoons of milk, which I have that measured out. You're going to pour that in there. And we're going to need a tablespoon of honey. I'm going to do the olive oil first because it'll make the honey. No, I'm going to do the honey first. I want the olive oil in my honey. Okay, we're going to do a tablespoon of honey. And then a tablespoon of olive oil. Oh, this is a new one. Okay. All right. There's all our stuff. I'll tell you again. It's a half a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon and a half of milk, a tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay? And then mix that all up. So put it on pause and go get your goodies. Then we're going to mix that all up. Real good. Okay, let me get my little towel because we're going to give this a whirl and see just how good it does, because I've never tried this before. Yeah. Okay. It says you just put your hands, you put it in your hands, and you just rub it in your hands for three minutes or so. Oh, that feels nice. That's like it exfoliates. That's probably why it gets rid of the dry skin. Oh, that feels nice. Absolutely. Cold, but I guess you could probably warm it up if you wanted a little bit, but that's nice. Follow with me. If you have to put it on pause, get your goodies. This is great. Rub it on your hands. For 3 minutes. I think we got a couple minutes to go. Get it in between your fingers. Oh, this feels nice. And then you just wash it off. And you pat your hands dry. How nice. Get your fingers real good. This is wonderful for probably more so in the summertime too. I mean, yeah, your hands get dry in the winter with the cold weather, but in the summertime, this would be good for your hands, especially after you're digging in your dirt, planting your flowers, planting your seeds, working in your garden. This stuff would be wonderful. This really feels nice. Sticky. But that really is nice. I'm going to go another minute. I'm not really timing it, but you know, you can pretty much guess what about 3 minutes would be. My hands get real dry on the palms, but I get eczema, and I don't have it all. Well, eczema you do have all the time, but I don't have breakouts all the time. Only when it's really, really, really cold and it's dry, and winter is perfect for that. I would get, gosh, when we would go down south, my hands would be really dry, just chapped and dry from the winter. And as soon as we got down to North Carolina, I bet you it was within 3 days, my hands were cleared up and just silky smooth. I'd come back to Michigan in this cold weather, and within a couple days, they were right back to where they were. All right, friends, I am going to go and rinse this all off. If you're doing this, rinse yours off, and we'll see how it does. Okay, I gotta fix my stool. After that's done, oh, it makes your hands just feel really, really soft. Yes, it exfoliates them. It makes them feel really, really nice. So after that's done, I would just take and put a little bit of nice moisture cream on your hands, and they'll love you. That stuff I believe you could use on your feet. You probably use it on your body, on your elbows, if you get, you know, if you have dry elbows. How nice is that? That stuff is wonderful. Oh, my hands feel so nice, like satiny smooth. Love it, absolutely. That's about like my 1-minute manicure that I do. Pretty close to it, but I think you'd get, you know, you feed your hands a little better with the honey and the milk. Feed your hand, you know, give your hand more vitamins, because my 1-minute manicure is simply Epsom salt and olive oil and some essential oils, but that's still wonderful stuff. But yeah, that makes your hands feel so nice. So there you have it, a nice little treatment. And you can use it on your elbows, you can use it on your hands, your feet, anywhere where you got little patches of dry skin. Works wonderful. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.